Hi guys! If any of you are suffering with tiny bumps on your skin, milia, clogged pores, tons of skin texture, this video is for you to transform your skin into clear, glowing, smooth skin. So subscribe if you're new, check my ebook on beauty hacks down below, and there is a giveaway in this video, so watch to the end. So last week's video, I talked about a DIY super simple mask to get rid of skin texture and skin bumps, but you all wanted the details on the skincare routine that got rid of this issue for me. So here we are today. Starting off with one of the biggest hacks is the way you wash your face and these techniques you can use to get rid of the skin bumps and skin texture. So I like to use a face cleanser that is very soothing, very gentle, and filled with antioxidants. And as you guys can see, this one is a more creamy consistency, and I will link it down below. I got this one from First Aid Beauty. You will also need some type of exfoliant for your face. And as you guys can see here, I have this little face designed loofah, so I will link it down below. And these two together for my skin is the perfect pair for getting rid of those bumps. So what the bumps are on your face are actually a buildup of clogged pores, keratin, sometimes overproduced protein, and it is very important to exfoliate your skin so you can get deep in there and get rid of these bumps. This also helps with blackheads and whiteheads, so it is just an all-around plus. I like to do this with warm water and the cleanser, and I always time myself for about 2 to 3 minutes so I know I'm getting in there. Then I just rinse my face and it's on to the next step. But first, I want to show you guys the giveaway for today. Thanks to Formulate, which is an amazing customized shampoo and conditioner service that helps you with your hair journey and your hair goals. So you can go onto their website and pick the things that you want most, whether it's hair strength, hair thickness, hair length, and they will customize these beautiful formulas for your hair. Not only is the packaging my absolute favorite, but it works so good, and these are your own custom shampoo and conditioners. So before I finish sharing all of these skincare hacks, I figured why not share a way for you guys to get healthy hair as well and do a giveaway for someone to get it for free. So there's only 4 simple steps to enter. Number 1 is to be subscribed to my channel. 2, thumbs up the video. 3, click the giveaway link in the description down below to sign up, and then comment "I'm finished" when done, and one of you will win an 8-ounce customized set for your hair growth journey, and everyone who enters gets $5 off. Also, you guys, the formulas are so good for your hair. They're sulfate free, paraben free, preservative free. Vegan formulas are available as well as silicone free. So whatever you guys want for your hair, you can attain. And you'll even get access to the mobile app where you can communicate directly with your personal formulation team to check in on your progress. So all the information is down below. Now, getting back to our skincare and getting rid of these tiny bumps, one of the key ingredients is salicylic acid, and I like to apply that onto my face after washing. You're also going to need to use hyaluronic acid, but I will show you that later because to be as detailed as possible, I'm showing you in the order I do this routine. So this salicylic acid is just a toner I got from Target. I'll link it below. So affordable, but you don't really need to splurge on that kind of product. So I like to apply it onto a hypoallergenic cotton pad. I'll link them below from Amazon, and really get into my skin after I exfoliated. It is gonna burn. It might make your skin red, but you really need to deep clean in order to get rid of these bumps and awaken your pores. So once I've done that step, I like to use the hyaluronic acid, and I'm gonna be using that in this face mask. It's a hyaluronic acid loaded face mask that's great for hydrating and anti-pollution. So so it's not too irritating on your face. And this kind of mask is where I think you can splurge, because with masks and serums, the higher quality ingredient the better, since it will be sitting on your face for a very long time and soaking in. So I like to pair that hyaluronic acid mask with this. It is the UFO2 by Foreo. You can get it at Sephora, Nordstrom's. I'll have it linked down below as well. And this is like a spa at home. So pretty much what it does is give me light therapy, heat, cooling, vibrations. If you guys want to spend the money on something, I feel like this is a great little at-home spa treatment kit. I will also be linking a ton of my other favorite face masks down below, but I wanted to show you guys how I use this, since I do love how it feels and works on my skin, and it's one of the steps I look forward to because it literally feels like I'm getting a facial at home. So I just lock in the little mask, I add all the extra goo and serum, which is a huge hack for you guys, by the way. No matter what face mask you use, those sheet masks always have so much extra formula in the pouch. So then I connect it to my Bluetooth, I scan my little face mask so it adjusts the settings, and then it literally just tells me what to do. Sometimes it gets cool, sometimes it gets hot, and like I said, it has the little light therapy, so it's definitely a fun experience. So I will link it down below. I'll also link some of my other favorite normal face masks as well. So then a very important step is applying a serum. I always apply serum. This one is actually great for skin texture. I got it from Walgreens or Amazon. I'll have it linked down below, and it is by Botanics. This is just a all brightening, really pure concentrate serum, and the reason it is so important to add a serum after is because after doing all of that work on your skin and your face, you really want to soothe it and you want to infuse it with good products. Luckily, this one is pretty affordable. It's one of the more affordable serums that I own, and it works amazing, you guys. I'm always testing new products on my skin, and this has been one I've enjoyed. I also like to make a cocktail of serums. For example, I'll apply that, and then I'll apply my vitamin C serum for brightening. I also use a hyaluronic acid serum. I'll link more of my favorites below because I'm always adding different types of serums on my face, forehead, under my eyes. So definitely check the links below. But that was my video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you really take into consideration to put the time into your skincare routine so you can attain your goals and your beautiful glowing skin free of texture, bumps, etc. All it takes is some time and effort. So thank you for watching. Thumbs up the video, comment below what you want to see next, or any products that have helped you with your skincare journey. I love you, and I'll see you very soon in a new video. Mwah.